Welcome to Brazil on Loose. Today, we are going to change the head unit of Toyota RAV4 2010 edition with a new head unit which has Android Play, CarPlay. All the URL will be provided in the description. So let's see how we are going to change the head unit.
Let's connect now. So what we need to do, these are the cables actually that came with the device. These are the old cables that we got it. So what we need to do, this end actually goes to the system here, and then this all will be connected to this here. So we need to find the matching ones now. So we'll do one by one. Okay, So the power, first the power one which goes here. Okay. Auxiliary in, CBS in, NVIDIA out, auxiliary in, and connection subwoofer, auxiliary out to auxiliary out. We don't need this one because
एक संदेश और है. Hello विकास जी, this is Aarti from Melbourne. I'm scared of driving on highways. आरती जी, ये चीज़ तो मेरी बहुत लेकिन मुझसे छोटी है. जब उसने खाना बनाना शुरू किया था तो अभी आपसे बात करते हैं मैं.
So we are just testing the feature. So we just connected now, and then the speakers are working, FM is working. We'll just see the back camera. It's not going to work because we are not yet connected that. So we're just trying to figure out which wires goes there. Anyway, we'll try first. Okay, so nothing happened. So let's now go back and then figure out the connection. Okay, so we just find that, so this is actually the reverse camera which was already fixed here, and they already cut the connector for this. And in the device, this is the one which goes for the reverse camera, and here there is one called back. This is actually the power for that reverse camera. I mean, this is the identifier for the system that okay, it is in reverse mode. So this will just need to be now soldered. I'm just going to do that one. So we just connected reverse wires, soldered and connected. Now let's see the functionality. Okay, so it's connected, it's showing the camera, reverse camera, and then we want to move. Yeah, all good.
So we have now installed the head unit and I've kept the panels back. Now we are trying to check whether the mirror link would work. So all you have to do is connect it to the USB cable. Connect your phone to the USB cable, and in the head unit you have to select the phone link option, click on Android USB, and all the options are provided here. You have to make sure that the developer options are set in your phone, and Bluetooth debugging is also set on your phone. Open the Tima AVM app. So you'll have the link in the head unit. So open the Tima AVM app, and once you open the Tima AVM app, you will see an option to mirror link it. So just mirror link that. Now we have mirror linked it and checking the maps now. It's all working fine. The mirror link is connected well. Now let's see how we can control the steering unit. We can configure the steering unit. You have to go to the car setting and then scroll to see steering learn and press the button that you want, and the same needs to be pressed. So if you want the volume up button, press that and press the same in the car so that it will be configured. We have already configured, that's why this failed. So that's how you configure your steering buttons.
All runners are in position, so we're just about set now.
So we have configured the sound.
Stand by.
I'm controlling the sound in my steering wheel.
Gate at release point. Ready to run. Here's the line. They're up and pacing. Fast away, non-Visara.
So while connecting the mirror link, you have to make sure that you have to restart your phone once you have installed the app in your phone. So now we are playing it from a USB. So you have two USB ports basically. You can connect one to the USB and then the other for the mirror link.
So that's for music. Has got built-in Google Map.
It more or less works like an Android phone, so you have got all the apps, the Google Maps and everything in here. You can connect to the Wi-Fi and can download more apps if you want.
Let's open our channel. Touch is also very nice. Okay. Let's play one video. Maybe this one.
we are just playing one of our videos from YouTube.
Bluetooth. So we have contacts already.
So all the contacts have been synced.
Yeah, just after you connect your Bluetooth, you need to make sure that you are importing it. You have already done that one. Just click on that import button to get all this downloaded to the system. Okay, so this is Bluetooth flying from mobile. Yeah, so pretty much everything is here. You can even download apps from Play Store. I'm not sure whether it's configured yet. No, it's not signing. So you can sign in here and download apps from Play Store. So we have got Wi-Fi here, so it's already connected to Wi-Fi. What else?
The touch is very responsive, so it more or less works like an iPad. It's very responsive.
It's very much worth for $150.
Yeah, so we bought this from AliExpress for $150 and it's worth the money.
I'll place the link in the description.
Yes, the link will be in the description. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, please do comment and we'll try our best to respond. If you like the video, please share and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.